The cruise ship docked at the Chaotianmen Pier in Chongqing, and then the voyage ended. I began my trip in Chongqing. Because Chongqing is built on mountains with many steps, a profession called porter, locally known as bamba, has emerged. Many of them are elderly people over 50 years old, carrying a carrying pole and celestine work along the street. So 5 days, actually 3 full days. The ferry trip is over. Yangtze Golden number 3. So bye bye on my right side. It's parking there. So now I'm heading to the hotel I booked in the downtown of the Chongqing. All the slope in the city is another mile of the bicycle. The beans with some mashed beans and noodles. A little bit spicy. So right now I enter a city park. It's called E'ling Park. So if I translate to English directly, it means gooseneck park. Because this park is like a long, like gooseneck. This city park located on a steep mountain ridge between the Yangtze and the Jialing rivers. Left side is the pond of water. This season there is no fish inside. A lot of grandpas, grandmas just hang out to take pictures. E'ling Park was first built in 1909 during the late Qing dynasty. So this road leads down to the Liziba. You can see the building, that building. So we're gonna going down to that building. We can see the light rail pass through the building from this line through this building. Originally a private garden of wealthy merchants, it was gradually transformed into a public park. It is one of the earliest urban viewpoints in Chongqing. Before modern observation decks became popular, people came here to enjoy the city view. So in front of me is a tower. Have the best view of the cityscape. We're gonna go up. The Kansheng Tower has 7 floors, and the top level is an open circular viewing desk with a 360-degree views of the Chongqing. So when you reach the top of this tower, you will see the breathtaking cityscape. And now I will go around this tower. It's a little bit foggy today. That's why this city is called Foggy City in China. But you can even see the bridge is very clear. So right now we're gonna going down to this way. Perfect. Actually, now the sun is out because it's from this direction. Hopefully the fog will dissipate. We're gonna heading down. Right. See the designs of this stairs. This one is a fig tree. It's a fig one. I try to find ways to go down this small hill and go to the light ways through that building. You will see that later. Actually, this hiking trail is it's been recommended by my local friend. Like 2.5 years ago, I already been there one time. I just barely forget the ways to go down. So Someone tell me I still need to out of the city park. Let's go towards the road. That's the walking trail to go down. So why the city park is named E'ling Park? Because the shape is like the goose neck. It's pretty long and narrow. Go left side. So there's a line of the restaurants just in the front of this city park, selling the traditional local food. Left side, I think, is the fancy apartment or the villa. So as we continue going down, in front of me, this area is called E'ling No. 2 Factory. E'ling Erchang used to be a state-owned printing factory. After it closed, the older industrial buildings were renovated into a creative culture space. Today is a popular photo spot for young generations, combining Chongqing's industrial past with modern artistic vibe. So these paintings and these pictures, these sconces on the wall represent the history of the city during the World War II. So the capital moved from Nanjing to the city to avoid the fascism, because this city is built inside a mountain and it's foggy and it's not easy for the inventors Japan to invite. And a robot. Look at this view. So this area is still built on the middle of this mountain. We're gonna still heading down. Chongqing is one of the major cities along China's famous G318 highway, which stretches all the way from Shanghai to Tibet. So this road, if I go in through this way, it's like a U shape. It's like shortcut. There's a lot of this kind of shortcuts in the city. So there's board on the tree, lead us to the light trail through the tunnel, and this whole hiking trail, we're going through some apartment. Yeah, right this way. Seems like a small library. Going to the restaurant. Can't believe it. See where am I now? It's like a maze. I'm still going down. All these different stairs connected different apartments. Left side. 这儿从这儿下去能到李子吧？ Walking the same trail, bringing the memory when I was 2.5 years ago. Remember that time I just graduated from the university and come to this city to visit my classmates actually. This light rail station is called the Liziba Station. is where you can see the light rail just going through this building. Is this whole building? But we're not going to see. So to see that view here, we're still gonna going down. Can see this city, even the gas station is built inside the tunnel. Okay. You can see, so the light rail is inside the building. I think this 1 or 2 floors just empty for holding this light rail. It's double side. Here we are. So the local auntie just tell me there's a shortcut this way, not walking along the road. We're directly going down. Mate, it's like a maze, mate. Actually, it's many shortcuts. As long as you ask, we got different answers. Here we are. You see the crowd there? That's the platform to see the view of the light rail just going through the tunnel. Minibus, like 10 people. Okay, we're gonna miss this one. I'm waiting for another one. A lot of people. Light rail just already gone. So let's waiting for another one. And later we're gonna take this rail to that direction where I booked my hotel there. Serious, mate.